life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
So ito na siya. Buong natin. Tayo. Tayo ng Dorian. Kaya lang, ito siya ay yung konti lang yung laman niya. Pero may mga Dorian na maraming laman. Ah, maliit lang yung buto niya maliit. Pero ito malalaki yung buto. Manipis lang yung laman niya. Yung sa Davao kasi talagang daming laman. Talagang makapal yung laman. Pero matamis siya. Ayun, buto na kaagad. Buto na siya kaagad. Kaya sabi nila, mabaho daw ang durian. Hindi. Masarap po kainin ng durian. Sustansya ang durian. Totoo. Pumili kayo. Kasi mahal yan. Kakahalaga ng 200, 200. Kapag bumili kayo, piliin nyo yung may bitak na. Siguradong hinog yan. Kapon yung tindera doon, di pa niya alam. Pero may hindi pa siya to yung brown na brown. Medyo may yung ibang part ng ano niya, medyo may luto. Pero pwede niya siyang kainin. Kasi yung sobrang hinog, talagang ano na siya, nangangatas na siya. Ito hindi. Parang medyo dry pa yung ano. Pero masarap kainaman lang yun. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Panonood. God bless you all. Lagi tayong iingatan ng Panginoon at bigyan tayo ng ayos na kalusugan. At sana guys, panoorin nyo yung video ko kahit kahit hindi maganda yung yung ginagawa kong video. Panoorin nyo lang at huwag kayong mag-skip ng ads kasi ang plano ko nito, pagka nakasahod ako, ibigay ko dun sa mga sa mapipili kong pagbibigyan. Yan ang plano ko dito sa unang sahod ko sa YouTube. Yun lang guys, and thank you so much. God bless all. Panoorin nyo yung video ko guys ha, huwag kayong mag-skip. Thank you so much. Yun lang hiniling ko. At wala namang bayad. Thank you, bye bye, God bless.